resource for one of a highly escalated project, and they spent whole night and day. In fact, CEO is involved in one of the escalation of our project. So that is a project, critical project they worked, and she also helped us to build the DW healthcare team. We able to grow from we able to grow from 0 to near about 17 less than 2 years. So this team is working very hard. Especially she got very good team. I want to take couple of names from the team. Manoj, Tashin, Indira. Special thanks to them. This award belongs to team, but I awarded her because she is leading the team very well, and those guys really lucky to have those guys in the team. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks, Risha. The next award goes to Pawan Kumar Rawari from the Fox account. I request Pawan Kumar to come on to the stage. Hey, Pawan joined us sometime early this year, right? And he has actually quickly learned so many applications in Fox, very complex. There were a lot of escalations. We were going through a very, very, very bad phase, and he helped us in kind of taking over a few accounts. भाई दूसरा लेके आओ ना यार अंदर से. So
it's okay. Come on.
He really helped stabilize the account. We were in a very bad phase, and he really stabilized some of the applications, critical applications. And today we are again back to normalcy, and then we're doing very good. And he actually raised to the occasion and started. He's one of the leads within Fox. So thanks a lot for your contribution. The next award goes to Divya Mohanlal. I don't think she's here. She is one of our MSBI experts. She is in Invensys account. She is probably one of the very few people there. She has got a lot of appreciation from them, and somehow we've not been able to. And I've not seen her in a while. She is in the Invensys account. People write to me almost every month saying that you need to present her with some or the other award. So this actually comes from the Invensys team, but she is not here. Is Venkat Banka there? Which account are you? So, the Profit Max, right? Okay. Hey, Venkat is from the Wells Fargo Profit Max team. You are from the DWQA testing. He's from the testing team. Sorry, I couldn't recognize him. He has done a tremendous job. Very, very testing intensive project. Very complex. And he has done a tremendous job. Thank you. There are some absentee lists here. Ramesh Chandra Gaddam, he's from the Canara HSBC account. I think he's blessed with a baby and he's not here today. So just wanted to announce. Sri Lata Renukuntla from MX account. She is not here today either. So she has done a great job in the MX account. So I just want to acknowledge that. Pallavi Reddy Gari, I already mentioned about her name. She's also from MX. She's not in here today. Jigyasu Tripathi from MX. He is not here today either. Balaguru from MX. He is not here today either. Hey, is there? Oh, is he there? Hey, sorry. I request Satya to give away the award to Balaguru.
Satya.
Barkha Bed.
Barkha Bed from the JPMC account. I think this is by far the first JPMC award. She has done a tremendous job single-handedly handling one business unit or LOB within JPMC. Ab initio. She is not here today. Himani, you may want to inform Barkha later.
Namrata Rathod.
పక్కన పడేయండి.
Namrata Rathod is from Wells Fargo BI team. She's done a great job in OBI related work. Ravi Krishna Pasupuleti needs no mention. He needs
No introduction. He is one of our star cricketers, corporate captain as well. He also helped us move to the finals and and ending up as runners in the Celebrate Cognizant Wizards tournament.
So he incidentally,
along with Pavan, has done a great job in CPM COE. He's at onsite now. He's been repeatedly missing our team outings and all the functions. So he's really disgusted and depressed. And that's what happens when you go onsite, guys, right?
Who's this? Arpit Ubale.
Arpit is one of the team member and dean. Actually, he's a founding member of the team probably, where he started, setting up the project where we started with a support team of 4 to 5 people. Now the team is grown to about 34. He's done a tremendous job in stabilizing the team process, not just a technology or code, but he has done a tremendous job in managing customer, in preparation of the engagement metrics, overall quality of the delivery, including including managing internal quality work for delivery assurance. He has done a phenomenal job. He's not there today, but I would like to appreciate him on behalf of the team.
Thanks, Rajesh. The last award here is
for Gautam K. He's part of our Coles
account. It's an excellent Informatica resource. He has done
a tremendous job. It's a new account for us.
And I'm told that he is picked up very fast, and the project is in full swing. He's really leading the show there.
Thank you. I think that's all we have for today as far as
the awards goes. And I thank you all for being patient throughout this session. I hope you all had fun, and it's really I can't thank enough for all of you to make this a grand event. I was very nervous if people would be able to make it, but you really braved it, and most of you came from far off locations, and that is the enthusiasm, the zeal to kind of get associated, get to know other people within the account, within the practice. That is really greatly appreciated, and hope we had a better occasion where we could really have all of the other people as well, the entire team out here. But especially on weekends, I'm told it's only 50% that one can expect because of family commitments and other events, right? So, but again, next year we definitely look forward to a very grand. Let's all now that we have 400, we should have at least 300, 350 people participating in the next weekend. We will see that it happens, right? This time, because of all the unforeseen things and a lot of confusion, a lot of uncertainty, we could still pull it off, which is a real. I'm really proud. At the end of the day, I think I'm one of the most relieved persons here. I'm so happy. I think I'll be able to sleep well tonight.
Is there any feedback you can take to improve next time?
Satya is saying that any feedback, any suggestions to make it more lively are definitely welcome, right? So you can pass it on to your leads and managers, and we'll take those suggestions and implement it next time. Okay.
Thank you. I think.
Sorry, I've held you up. There is supposed to be a rain dance. I don't know if the rain is still on. So you can, if the rain is not there, you can still dance here. Okay. That show is still on. The bamboo sticks are here. Swati and Ko, you asked for it. You have it now. If you want to go ahead and do the dance, you can do it.